Good morning, Himanshu. Happy Chakra. Let's start the class, everyone. Can you hear me? Yeah. Now look here. We are starting the work. Straight line questions. Good morning, Sujata. Sorry, some system problem came, so because of that delay was there. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible, beta. Yes. Let's start solving the questions, please. Get ready, please. First question is, see, one distance formula is there. The distance formula I'm going to teach. Now look here. If this is a straight line, this is intersection formula already I taught. Now how to find the distance? So if a straight line is exactly intersecting like this, okay. Now if one perpendicular I am going to draw, so there are two cases. Paoja, good morning. So there are two cases, and that two cases both I am going to answer you how it is exactly going to be. So if this is exactly the line L1 and this is the line L2. Okay, so just check this one out. If this is line L1 and that is line L2, so now how to find the distance? So this line L1 slope will be M1 and this line L2 slope will be M2. So one origin point is present here. So because of this, we will be exactly able to find the equation of this line L1. And since its slope is perpendicular to this line, it will help to get the equation of another line. So that means if M1 point is there, M1, so slope will be exactly written for this case. So what we are going to write, y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to M1. That is the slope of this line. Okay, and it is starting from origin. So we can take this point as 0 and 0, xy and y1, because origin value 0, 0 is present. So what we are going to turn that side and set, little bit shift that side so that you can see the screen. So now look here. So once you are writing this one, so y minus 0 by x minus 0 is equal to m1. So here whatever slope will be there, so y is equal to m1x is equal to, this will become the equation. Y is equal to m1x will become the equation. So that's most important. Please, Payoja, good morning, Vanakkam beta. Who and all are present, you need to be just writing your name and informing me that who and all are attending the classes. Okay, so this is exactly one equation we are checking for writing the writing the part. But here this is not the end. We are going to solve some most important questions here. So please kindly note down these sections. Get ready for it. Question is, write the next question. So here intercept equation is also there. So this is one part when we are writing M1, and with the help of M1 we can get M2. So this is exactly most important sections we are going to study in straight line. So MT is the slope of this line, and we know that M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So if somebody will be giving you this equation, so here M1 is this one. So with the help of this m1, we can write y by x m2 is equal to minus 1. And slope of the second equation can help to generate the equation also. So these are some things which we must remember. One more important thing I'm going to teach just few minutes after, because some questions we need to solve based on this, and then we will be going for the next section. So first question is, find the equation. Intercept form of a line means, okay, if an axis is exactly like this, straight line is cutting, at that particular moment this part will become a comma 0 and this part will become 0 comma b and then intersection equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is exactly intercept form. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is intercept form. X by a is equal to y by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is intercept form equation. So now what we are going to do is we will be solving questions based on this. Let's start the question, please. So first question is find the equation. So the line is exactly touching 2 points on 2 points. One point is on x-axis, one point is on y-axis. So it will become x by a plus y by b. Okay. Okay, fine. After giving question, I will wait for some time so that you will get time to solve. So question is find the equations of the line. Find the equations. Find the equations of the line. Of the line. Find the equations of the line which cuts off intercept on the axis which cuts off intercept on the axis whose sum and product whose sum and product is whose sum and product. Divya, good morning beta. Kangan, good morning. So here whose sum and product is 1 and -6 respectively. Now come on, try this question, children. 1 and -6 respectively. Come on, start solving this question, please. Yeah, I gave question and I am waiting. Come on, everyone. Come on, do it fast. So find the equation of the line whose cutoff intercept on the axis. So definitely it is intercept form equation. Yes, only answer is. So what is the answer? The two possible equations of the line are this 2x minus 3y equal to 6 and 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Okay. Normal typing is also okay. We'll check 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Now first thing is that what they have asked in the question, we are going to check that one. So our first question part is 2 means, see, intercept form of a line means one line is there and the line is intercepting x-axis and y-axis. So this point will become a comma 0 and this point will become 0 comma b, and this line we are going to consider as L. Okay, so this line is intercepting x-axis. So this line is intercepting x-axis. So what work we are going to do, that you need to check out first. So the first work, what it is exactly given here is product. So A, sum of A plus B is equal to, see that they're telling that the intercept on the axis whose sum and product. So the intercept, sum and product they have given. the intercept, sum and product they have given. So sum of the intercept is -1, product of the intercept is, sorry, sum of the intercept is 1 and product of the intercept is -6. They have given this one. So intercept, sum and product given. So after that, finally when equation will come, so your equation supposed to be x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So after solving these two equation, you have to find a and b and then you have to substitute into this one. So you will get the equation. So this is what is the most important thing you need to do. So your equation of intercept is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So this is your equation, and in this equation only you are supposed to find and put the value. So here a plus b, so this will become equation 2 and this will become equation 3. Okay, so equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, so now what work we are going to do is, we can use equation 3 and write a is equal to minus 6 by b. A is equal to minus 6 by b and we are going to substitute here. So minus 6 by b plus b equal to 1. Minus 6 plus b square equal to b. So b square minus b minus 6 equal to 0. So here b square minus 3b plus 2b minus 6 equal to 0. So b minus 3 plus 2 b minus 3 equal to 0. So definitely b value, we are ready to get b value. So here b value is coming as, b will be equal to minus 2 and 3. So one time we need to substitute because this equation we have used using equation 3. So equation 3 we have used and we got this. So now substituting in this part, a is equal to, when b will be exactly minus 2. So when b is equal to minus 2 you are taking, a is coming as 3. Now a will be equal to minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2, when b is equal to 3. Note down, when b is equal to 3. Solve this one out. So here two equations are coming. Yes, two equations are coming. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. A plus b is equal to 1. A into b is equal to minus 6. So once you are solving like this, you got two values. You got two values. What are the two values? Okay, Kishore. So what are the two values? The two values are coming like this. So now, good morning. So the two values are coming like this. So now equation finally is coming as, one time when x will be, you can write like this, when x is equal to, sorry, when a is equal to, what value you got? 3 and b is equal to minus 2. So equation will be x by 3 minus y by 2 equal to 1. So here it will become 2x minus 3y equal to 6. This will become your equation 4. Okay, this is the equation of the straight line. So 2x minus 3y equal to minus 6. This is one equation. Another equation, when x will be, a will be equal to minus 2 and b will be equal to 3. Sorry, minus b is coming as 3, first part b is equal to minus 2 I have taken. So b is equal to minus 2 and a is coming as 3, and this is giving us first equation, first straight line equation. Second one is b is equal to, we have taken as 3 and a is coming as minus 2. A is coming as minus 2. So minus x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So here minus 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So this will become equation 5. So these are the two shots you have to play and write the equation. So this question done. So this is exactly based on what? This is based on intercept question. So when intercept questions are given, you can solve the question like this. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. Yes, your answer is correct. So only I read your answers. It was correct only. Yes. Yes, we'll go for the next question. Now, one question is find the equation of the next question we are going to solve. Question is find the equation. Everyone try this question. This one done. So find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line so you have to find the equation of the straight line. Okay. Okay. Okay, find the equation of the straight line which pass through the origin which pass through the origin. Okay, find the equation of the straight line which pass through the origin and trisect the intercept and trisects the intercepts. So that is find the equations of straight line equations. So that means two equations of straight line will be there. Find the equations of straight lines which pass through the origin. Means it is passing through the origin and trisects the intercept of the line. Intercept of the line which trisects the intercept of the line which trisects the intercept of the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12. 3x plus 4y equal to 12 between the axis. Between the axis. This is a good question. Please kindly try this question. Between the axis, it is trisecting. Between the axis, it is trisecting. Rudra, are you present in the class? Come on, try this question, please. Now look here, I'm going to solve this question. I'm going to solve this question, understand this question, what they have asked, because straight line is one of the most important topic for class 12th also, because we are going to study questions based on this also. So intercept is one of the most important topic. Now look at what we are going to do with this equation. This is our equation. So first we must know what in all this equation is going to give us. 3x plus 4y by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. Both equation we have written, so it will become 3x by 12 plus 4y by 12 is equal to 1. So it is coming x by 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1. If general equation you are taking, so x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So a value is coming here as 4 and b value is coming as 3. So 100% no other work is needed to be done. So x value is coming as a and y value is coming as b. So now what we are going to do is we will be solving this question into this format. So now look here. So that means what? The line with what we are going to draw, this line will 100% be showing intercept form. So A value means where it is cutting 4 comma 0 and here B point it is coming as 0 comma 3. So this point has been done 0 comma 3. So this is the most important thing you must remember. It is coming as 0 comma 3 and this is 4 comma 0. Once you have done, now they are telling that the line which is crossing through the origin and intercepting, crossing through the origin and intercepting this line. So this line we are going to consider as x1. This line we are going to consider as x1 and it is intercepted. This intercept is there. So this is one line which is exactly drawn. So this is one line which is drawn. This is intercepting and second line. So we'll take this line as L1. This is L. Now another line which is intercepting. Now trisection is there. So this line is trisecting. So this is considered as L2. Now they are cutting this point. So this will be taken as A, B, C and D. So trisection case is there. What is the case is there? Trisection case is there. Very good, Divya. So it is a case of trisection. So when it is a case of trisection, what work we are going to do? So trisection case means this point and this point we must know. So if AB, what is the ratio? AB by BD. What is the ratio? AB, because trisection means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Since L1 and L2 trisects the line, trisects the line. So if L1 and L2 is trisecting the line, that means we came to know AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Means the line segment becomes equal. The line segment, no, the line segment becomes equal. So once the line segment is coming as equal, AB, BC and CD, so what ratio is going to be written? AB by BD. So that is ratio is coming as 1:2. Now if ratio is coming AC by CD, then ratio will come 2 by 1. So this is exactly the ratio part. We must write the ratio section. So AB by BD. So ratio is what? If we will take AB and BD, because line L2 is intersecting, so ratio is coming as AB BD. So that ratio is coming as 1 by 2. Now we have all the shots of content present there. So first I am explaining for first line L2. L2 line, when it is intersecting, what is the equation of line L2? We have to find equation of line L2 and equation of line L1. You need to remember this equation of line L2 and equation of line L1, and L1 and L2 are trisecting the line L. Trisection means dividing the line into equal halves. Okay, so here the line will be getting divided into equal segments. So here AB, BC and CD, that is exactly once interception of the equation line is exactly done on axis. So we are not talking about the entire line. Entire line trisection is not possible. What we are doing is when the line is intercepting the x-axis and y-axis, whatever line segment is coming, whatever line segment is coming, that line segment part intercept is there. So here AB, BC and CD is there. So AB part will be equal to BC and BC part will be equal to CD. So that section ratio we have written. So writing ratio is one thing. Now we need to find the equation of the line, because ratio is present there. With the help of the ratio also we can be able to solve the equation. So what and all are the coordinate present for the line? Come on, anyone tell what and all coordinate is present? So B point we will take it as coordinate x1 and y1, and C point coordinate we will take it as x2 and y2. Okay, so first we are going to find B point coordinate x1 and y1. B point, I repeat, B point coordinate x1 and right y1. So first x1 and y1 we will find for B intersection. So x1, what is the ratio given? So what is the ratio given is this part line separately if you are drawing, means your work will become over. So this point is exactly coming as, one point is coming as 0 comma 3, and this point is A. Another point is D, that is 4 comma 0, and this section is B, x1 and y1. Internal section formula ratio is 1 is to 2. So when internal section formula ratio is coming as 1 is to 2, so x1 formula will be coming as what? X1 is written as 1 will multiply with 4, it will come as 4, and then 2 will multiply with 0. So 0 by 2 plus 1, 3. So x1 value is coming as 4 by 3. X1 value is coming as 4 by 3. Now next one, x2 value. Now y1. Y1 value. 1 will multiply with 0. So 1 into 0. And then 2 will multiply with 3. So 2 3s are 6 by 3. So y2 is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. So your B quadrant is coming as, what is your B point? This B point value. So this B point value is coming as what? B point value is coming as, directly we can write the equation because 1 point we got. Now slope equation we can directly be able to solve. Okay. So directly we'll be able to solve. So here slope equation will be written as, what is the equation of the slope coming? We will check. But this point present here is 4 comma 3 and 2. 4 comma 4 by 3, 2 we have written. So once we have written, hi Anurag, Anurag, I'm in class. After that 100% I'll be having discussion with you. Please send your phone number and comment in the group. Okay, comment in the class. Now look here, beta. So 4 by 3 comma 2 we are going to talk. So this point we got, and now we have to find the equation of this line L2. So we have 1 point. We have 1 point, but origin is also another point. Origin is 1 point and this point is another point. So with the help of this, we can directly solve, because once 1 point is there, slope writing and equation writing is very, very easy. So slope and equation writing becomes easy when this content is present with us. So what small work we are going to do, that is, because this point B point we got. Once we are getting B point, only one small work is there, and that is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This will give you equation of line. Okay, so here, but in this B point, 2 points are there which we are knowing. One point is origin point and another point just now we derived, and that is 0, 4 comma 3 and 2. So with the help of this we can form the equation of line L2. So one point is 4 by 3 comma 2 and another point is 0 comma 0. So once with this 2 point we are knowing, means we will be able to form the equation. So y minus y1, we can take y1 as 0. So y minus 0 by x minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So it is coming y by x is equal to 4 by 3 by 2, nothing written means 1. So here it will come y by x is equal to, this 1 will go 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 1 by 2, cancel, it is coming as 2 by 3. So y by x is equal to 2 by 3. So 3y equal to 2x. So 3y minus, or 2x minus 3y equal to 0. So this is your equation 1. Damn, we needed this equation only. So we got you check in our you check in our name, it is there. So now look at this equation is becoming the first equation. So this is the most important part. Now we will be checking for another equation where we will be going for point C. So now point C means C is dividing the line into the ratio 2 is to 1. If we will see very cleverly, C will divide the line into the ratio. This point A is there and A point is coming as 0 comma 3. Now B point is coming as 4 comma 0. Now C is the another point, that is x2 and y2 we have taken for understanding, and this line is exactly considered as L3 L2, sorry. Okay, this line is considered as L2. So once you have written till here, only ratio coming is 2 is to 1. So first you find x2, y2. Once you are getting x2 and y2, your work will be over. So what is x2? x2 will be equal to 2 will multiply with x2. So you need to check this one out. 2 will multiply with 4. It will become 8 by 3, and now y2 will be exactly equal to 2 will multiply with 0 and 1 will multiply with 3, so it will become 3 by 3, it is coming as 1. So bingo, C point is coming as 8 by 3 comma 1. So C point you got. So that means now we have in this line 8 by 3 comma 1 as C value, and C point is exactly having another point is origin. C is having this 2 point, another point is having origin. So if we talk about C, one point is coming as 8 by 3 and 1, another point is coming as origin. Easily we can solve if we will take x1 by 1, x2 by 2. So it will become y minus 0 by x minus 0 is equal to 8 by 3 by 1. So 100% it will come what? This will become y by x is equal to 8 by 3. So that means 8x minus 3y equal to 0. This is the another equation of the line. So 8x minus 3y 8x minus 3y equal to 0. It is one equation. 8x minus 3y equal to 0 is one equation. Another equation is coming this one. So 100% we got two equations of line. We got two equations of line, and this is the way we can solve the question. Understood. This is exactly the way to solve the equation. I hope you might have got this point. Come on. I hope you might have got this point. So we solved a question which is very, very important. Now, next question we are going to solve. Please kindly check this one out. So definitely this much section we have done. So 8x minus 3y, so it is trisecting. So 2 point trisection, we have exactly got both the equation for trisecting the line. So this is one question which has been done. Now we will go for the next question. In next question, whatever is written, we are going to solve this question. This is NCRT question. So please kindly solve it. So now look here. So what work we are going to do? We will solve the next question. Come on, go for it. A straight line. This is NCRT question. I repeat, this is NCRT question. So do it very nicely. That to exercise question. So NCERT question we are going to do. So in this NCRT question, what is given? Please kindly check this one out. They're telling that a straight line passes through a straight line. A straight line passes through a straight line passes through the point alpha beta, the point alpha comma beta. The straight line passes through the point alpha comma beta, and this point bisects the portion, and this point bisects the portion bisects the portion and this point bisects the portion of the line intercepted 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 between the axis intercepted between the axis show intercepted between the axis. So now show it, now do it, write the equation. So what it is exactly given, a straight line passes through the point this and the points bisect. So first important thing is, let's solve this question. Let's solve this question, what you are going to do and how you are going to solve the question. Check this one out. A straight line passes through this point, and this point and this point bisects the portion of the line segment. So 100%, this is exactly the axis we're doing. A straight line passes through the point this one, and this point bisect the portion of the line intercepted between the axis. Okay, so this is exactly, seriously, a very good question. Come on, try this question. Okay, this is exactly this part. So this question is given, L is the line. Now what they are talking about, one line is there that is intercepted between the axis. So we have to first understand the word what they are asking. We have to first understand the word what they are asking. What is the word they are asking? That, understood. So what is the word they are asking? First is, a straight line passes through the point alpha comma beta. Now one straight line is there, it is passing through the point alpha comma beta. Done. And this point bisect the portion of the line. And this point is bisecting the portion of the line. This alpha comma beta is bisecting the portion of the line intercepted between the axis. So this line L is intercepted. So let L be the line intercepted between the axis. So what is the line? Let L be the line intercepted between the axis. So which is the line? L is the line which is intercepted between the axis. So this equation will become A comma 0 and 0 comma B. But what they are telling, that in this line one point is there. So that point is exactly, that's what. So our line, a straight line passes through this point alpha beta. So another straight line is there. We are going to draw this straight line. So one straight line is there, which is exactly, it is going to cross origin or not, don't know. But this straight line is passing, this straight line is passing through a point alpha comma beta. This straight line is passing through the point alpha comma beta. This straight line, one straight line is this one, and this straight line, let this straight line be L1, and this straight line is passing alpha comma beta. And what is alpha comma beta? Alpha comma beta is that point which divide this line L into equal ratio. Understood? So which divide the line into equal portions. Understood? Because bisection is written. So this point alpha beta bisect AB. So we will take this point as A and this point as B, and this point we will take it as P. So P bisects AB. P bisects AB. So what is the ratio if it is bisecting? Ratio will become 1:1. So what is the value of alpha? What is the value of alpha when we are going to write? Because this point alpha value will become what? So x value will come as what? X value. What is the value of alpha? So when we will be writing alpha, so value of alpha is coming as x is equal to, that is alpha. So here we will write alpha is equal to, ratio is what? 0 plus b, because p will become the midpoint. So p is the midpoint. So midpoint equation is what? What is the equation of midpoint? Equation of midpoint is 0 plus a divided by 2. So A is coming as 2 alpha. Now beta part will become B plus 0 divided by 2. So B is equal to 2 beta. Got it? B is equal to 2 beta. So now a straight line passes through this. So we have to find the equation of this line. So once this equation of this line we are going to form, what is the equation of this line is x by a plus y by b equal to now 1. But what is the value of a is 2 alpha. So it will become x by 2 alpha plus y by 2 beta equal to 1. We got the equation of the line which is intercepted by this line. So L1 line intercepted, now equation of line we got which is intercepted. Fine. So here this is the most important thing. X by 2 alpha plus y by 2 beta equal to 1. So this is what way you have to solve the question. Now I'll go for the next question, please. I hope you might have understood this part. Here one very important question has been given. In that important question, what is exactly given here is a straight line passes through the point. So this L1 is the straight line which is passing through the point alpha beta. And one more thing is given here is that this point is bisecting the intercept of a line. This line alpha beta point bisecting the intercept of a line AB. It is bisecting the intercept of a line AB, and based on that only I have solved this question. This is NCRT question, so please kindly put full focus into this. So equation of the straight line which is getting intercepted, equation is x by a because this is intercepting now. So equation of straight line is coming as x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the equation of the straight line. So what we are doing here is once we are writing the equation of the straight line, x by 2a plus y by b equal to 1 getting. So write the equation of the straight line. Write the equation of the straight line. So now we are going to go for the next question. What is the equation of the straight line? X by 2 alpha plus y by 2 beta equal to 1. This will become the equation of the straight line. Now we will go for the next part. So next in NCRT question I am going to solve. These are all exercise questions what I am solving right now. The second question is keep point h comma k, point h comma k divides the line segment, divides a line segment, divides a line segment between the axis, divides the line segment between the axis in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. Everyone try this question. Between the axis, line segment between the axis. The moment they are using the word line segment between the axis means it is very much clear that they are talking about one line which is between the axis, the line segment between the axis. See, they are telling point h comma k divides a line segment. So this point h comma k is the point which is dividing a line segment. So let the line segment be A and B. So let the line segment is coming as understood. Everyone please get ready and join the class. Listen to me first. So now look here. So here this line segment is written. The line segment part is written between A comma B. This is the line segment. Line segment is a part of a line. We must remember. Line segment is a part of a line. Between the axis means between x-axis and y-axis, this line segment is taken. And this line segment is taken between x-axis. The line segment AB is taken between x-axis and y-axis. So you need to be very careful and solve these questions with very much careful effort. So here this part is there. Now this point we will consider as P, and this P is dividing the line in the ratio 1:2. P divided the line in the ratio 1:2. So when it has divided the line into ratio 1:2, you be very careful, you check this one out. This point will become what? 1 comma A comma 0, and this point will become 0 comma B. They wanted the equation of this line. First work, get the value of H by internal section formula. 1 will multiply with A is coming. Now 2 will multiply with 0. So A plus 0 by 1 plus 2. So it is coming as A by 3. Now second one is, so A is coming as 3H. A is coming as 3H. Second one is K is equal to, K is equal to, K is equal to, this K part equal to, 1 will multiply with 0. So 0 is coming. 2 will multiply with B. So 2B by 3. So here it is coming 2b by 3. So k value, so b value is coming as 3k by 2 is equal to b. B value is coming as 3k by 2. So 100% what equation we are going to get here is, because we got a value and we got b value, and this is a line. So equation of line L will become what? Y, directly we can write x by a plus y by b equal to 1, because it is in intercept form. So directly x by a means 3k, 3h, and y will be 3k by 2 is equal to 1. So directly equation will become x plus 2y is equal to 3k. X plus 2y, sorry, 3h is there now. We can't write like this. So because this part will become, so this is the answer you write. Because 3k is there now, so 3k will multiply with this one. So this will become the equation of the line. Note down. Three part you can take common and shift there. It will become kh if you want to further proceed, plus 2 3kh. Note down. So this is exactly, yes, correct only. So this is the equation. So only I wrote down your equation so that you can come to know that your answer is correct. So here kh plus 2kx is equal to 3kh. So this will become the correct answer. We will go for the next NCERT question. I am not leaving a single question. Straight line, parabola, circle, these chapters are some things which is exactly very important to understand. One questions are very heavy, and if you will not be able to solve it properly means problems will come. So every question is bringing its own complexity, so you must do only one work, do it nice. This is the only thing. Today school holiday or school is there? Still no any information is there? Ayoja, any information came? Kishore? For north it is holiday, but for south no information came. We'll wait beta, because 27 28 they are telling 27 28 they are telling that cyclone is coming now. So for cyclone alert they have put. Still no information is there. Okay, we will solve next question. Find the equation of the line find the equation of the line passing through the point. Everyone solve this question. Passing through the point. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2 comma 2. Okay, 2 comma 2 and cutting off intercept. Again word came, and cutting off intercepts. The moment cutting off intercepts word you are understanding, listening. Cutting off intercepts. Cutting off intercepts. Okay, on the axis whose sum is whose sum is 9. Come on, go for this question. This NCRT question and very important question. So NCRT, all questions we have discussed. Can I solve this? See, same pattern question, not a big deal. Here the question is very much clear. Decode the question. Find the equation of the line passing through point 2 comma 2 and cuts off intercept on the axis. Till here you catch. So one straight line is there which is passing through a point 2 comma 2 and cuts off the intercept. The moment cuts off the intercept means this is exactly 2 comma 2 and cuts off intercept between the axis. Okay, so here this part is coming a comma 0, this is coming as 0 comma b. Now this point is given which is exactly present there. Now they're telling find the equation of a line passing through the point and cuts off the intercept on the axis whose sum is given. So here intercept sum is given, sum of intercept is given. What is the sum of intercept here? So sum of intercept means a plus b is equal to 9 given. This is exactly the thing that is given. So what is the equation of line intercept form? X plus a plus y by b equal to 1. So this is the equation of the line, and in this line only this point is present. Now look here very carefully. This is exactly your equation. So first we will write the equation of the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is your equation of line. Now sum of the intercept given as 9. So we will take it as equation 2. So now sum of the intercept is given as 9. So b can be written as 9 minus a. B can be written as 9 minus a. Now another important point is these two, see, now this P2 comma 2 passes, point this is on line, that is equation 1. This is line L1, that is equation 1. Okay, so directly we have write that this P point 2 comma 2 is on line of equation 1. So 100% it will satisfy the equation of the line. So if it is satisfying the equation of the line, so it will become 2 by A plus 2 by B equal to 1, correct? Now here B is equal to 9 minus A. So 2 by A plus 2 by 9 minus A, 9 minus a equal to 1. We can solve like this. So it will become 2 9 minus a plus 2a by a 9 minus a equal to 1. So it will be 2 nines are 18 minus 2a plus 2a, it will become 9a minus a square. Cross multiplication I did. This and this got cancelled. Shift this side. A square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. A square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. So once this equation is exactly coming, what work we are doing is, check this one out. A square, 18 can be written as, 18 factors can be written as 2933. So 3 to the 6 will write minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 equal to 0. So here a will come a minus 6 minus 3, a minus 6 equal to 0. So a is coming as 3 comma 6. So when a is equal to 3, b will be 9 minus 3, 6. So equation of line will become, what will be the equation of line? X by 3 plus y by 6 equal to 1. So that is 6x plus 3y equal to 18. So this will become your equation 1, equation this one will become. Understood? Second, this is when we have taken. Now, when a is equal to 6, b is coming as 3. That time equation will be x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So, it is 3x plus 6y is equal to 18. This will become equation 4. So, this section is very, very important to do, and from this section questions are coming. So here you need to understand. After that, you can cancel out and bring the answer in the normal, what you call. You can bring the answer in the simplest form also. That's is you have written Himanshu in the simplest form. So now please pay attention. You can solve the questions like this format. Everyone pay attention and solve these questions. These are NCRT most valuable questions. Now one content I am going to teach. Straight line means two more classes of straight line I am going to teach, because most probably if school is not there today means one more class I will align in afternoon. But still now we are not in that confirmation that school is there or not. No, you only have to take common and cancel. Who said it is wrong? You can also analyze, na, it is wrong or right. So please note down this one. नीचे दरवाजा खोला है, खोल के आओ. Students waiting. So we are going to keep it till here. Yes, nice, nice technology. So we are going to keep it till here. Next, let's see today class is there or not. Accordingly, we are going to do. If school is there means okay. In night I will take class 9:30. If school is not there means we will be exactly getting one holiday, and we will be taking. I will be taking two more classes. Okay. So that straight line two more classes we will be able to solve more questions. So that's the idea right now. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye. Okay. Bye, everyone.